Very good morning, students. I hope you have understood our previous lesson, which was sentence. So now we will do some exercise, and I will explain you the kinds of sentence. We have understood in previous parts of sentence, which were subject and predicate. Now we will understand kinds of sentence. Kinds. So first is, as there are four kinds of sentence: assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, and exclamatory sentence. So what are kinds of sentence? Assertive sentence, interrogative sentence, imperative sentence, exclamatory sentence. So first we will understand assertive. What is assertive sentence? Which is only a simple statement. Just an example: Radhika is a beautiful girl. Ram writes a letter, which is only a simple statement. It may be affirmative or negative. यानी कि ये अफर्मेटिव और नेगेटिव दोनों हो सकते हैं. असर्टिव सेंटेंस फर्स्ट इज, व्हाट इज असर्टिव सेंटेंस? असर्टिव सेंटेंस, व्हाट इज असर्टिव? Which is only a simple statement. What is assertive? Simple statement. Interrogative sentence, what is interrogative sentence? Very simple. Which always ends with question mark, जो हमेशा क्वेश्चन मार्क से एंड होता है. एंड विच ऑल्सो आस्क क्वेश्चन, जो हमेशा क्या पूछता है? क्वेश्चन. जस्ट एन एग्जाम्पल: आर यू अ टीचर? आर यू माई फ्रेंड? इज शी कुकिंग फूड? नेक्स्ट इज, आर दे ड्राइविंग अ कार? दैट इज वेरी सिंपल. हु आर यू? Why didn't you complete your work? So what is interrogative sentence? Which always asks a question and which always ends with question mark. Next is imperative. Third sentence is imperative. What is imperative sentence? Imperative sentence tells us command. It asks, there is command, request, advice, suggestion, order. That is imperative sentence. Just an example: please give me a pen. That is request. Open the door, shut the window. That is command. When there is command, request, advice, etc., that is imperative sentence. What is exclamatory sentence? What is exclamatory? क्या होता है exclamatory? Which always ends with exclamation mark. जो exclamation mark से तो end होता है. And now which ends with exclamation mark and which express sudden feeling. अचानक से होने वाली कोई feeling. Just like wow, what a wonderful car it is. Hooray, we have won the match, which shows happiness, sadness, physical pain, etc. This is, and also surprise, that is exclamatory sentence. So sentence, what are sentence? There are four kinds of sentence: assertive, interrogative, imperative, exclamatory sentence. So now we will do some exercise of these. Now the examples of sentence. First our example is Radhika. So Radhika writes a letter. So which kind of sentence is this? So Radhika write a letter. This is a simple statement. Radhika एक letter लिखती है. So Radhika writes a letter is assertive. That is assertive. That is assertive. Short में assertive. Next is, please give me water to drink. Please. Please is showing request. Please is showing request. When there is request, that is imperative sentence. So this is imperative. This sentence is imperative. So what is imperative sentence? Which tells us request, command, order, and also advice and suggestion. Open the door. This is also a command. Open the door. So open the window is also imperative. So why this is imperative? Because there is command. What is there is command? When there is command, request, advice and suggestion, that will be imperative sentence. Hooray, we have won the match. Hooray. This is also a hooray, हम मैच जीत गए हैं. So hooray is telling us joy, happiness. This is happiness. When there is happiness, sadness, physical pain and also surprise, that will be exclamatory sentence. So this is exclamatory. This is exclamatory sentence because this also ends with exclamation mark. Next is which is your pen? आपका पेन कौन सा है? Which is your pen is also, this is interrogative. This is interrogative because which is your pen? आपका पेन कौन सा है? And this also ends with a question mark, which ends with a question mark and which asks question, that will be interrogative sentence. So sentence has four kinds: affirmative, next is imperative, affirmative, assertive भी बोल सकते हैं हम उसे, assertive, imperative, interrogative and exclamatory sentence. What is assertive sentence? Which may be in affirmative or negative, which is only a simple statement. What is imperative? Which express command or command, request, advice and suggestion, that is imperative. Open the door, open the window, imperative command. Hooray, we have won the match, exclamatory because this is happiness. When there is happiness, sadness and surprise, that will be exclamatory sentence. Which is your pen? This is asking question. This is asking question, so that is interrogative sentence. So we have understood these kinds of sentence. Thank you. Have a nice day.